Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about some very new exciting items that IKEA introduced this year. In this video, we try featuring items that will be awesome to use, practical, and affordable. So let's get into it. I'm so excited to share with you guys this first product, a brand new floor lamp that IKEA just released. The price is $109.99 online. It's a floor lamp, side table, and storage space all in one. I have not come across a design like this before. I've seen ones where it's only a side table and lamp combination, but not one with the storage underneath. I think this one's pretty unique. The design is pretty sleek with its white metal, paired with the birch veneer. It looks super modern and cozy. The lamp is perfect for any space. You can use this lamp in your reading nook or brightening up a corner of your living room or entryway. Next up, we have this new Swiftel Chair at $399.99. If you guys have seen our other videos before, you know we love the Haverk Swiftel Chair that IKEA introduced last year. Most likely inspired by the famous $6,000 Herman Miller lounge chair. This one here is also very similar looking with a dark gray colorway. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any of your rooms, whether it's your living room, study, or even bedroom. There are many thoughtful details. This Swiftel chair has adjustable tilt tension that allows you to adjust the resistance to suit your movement and weight. Browsing around, I also noticed that IKEA has so many cute rugs this season, especially if you're looking for cute ones for kids' bedrooms. They have so many colors and designs, like this pink heart one here. These rugs are made from durable, stain-resistant synthetic fibers, which are so easy to care for. It's a very easy way to add a fresh, unique look to the room. Let's talk about this little gem I stumbled upon that's perfect for anyone who works from home or just love a change of scenery while tapping away on their laptop. One of IKEA's top sellers, this stand is $49.99 and it has so many cool features and already so many great reviews that I see online. It's easy to adjust the height, tilt the top. It even has a cup holder to hold your tea or coffee. How cool is that? It's one of those things that you don't realize you need until you see it, and then you can't imagine how you live without it. You can easily move this around your home, and it's super easy to fold up for storage. Now into the lighting section. If you're looking for a lamp with a pop of color, IKEA just added this one in the fresh blue and yellow. I love these lamps. They look so funky and has a retro vibe. I can see them becoming IKEA collectibles in the future. If you're looking for something that's affordable, this one is just $17.99. It's hard to find cute lighting nowadays for just under $20. The lighting is also very soft and creates a cozy atmosphere in the room. They also have one in beige as well, and I love that. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for more minimal and subtle style. Not going to lie, but I almost gasped when I saw this. If I didn't already own 3 desks at home, I would have snagged this table with me, so definitely want to show you guys. For $299, the desk is both a sitting and standing desk. You can easily adjust the height of the desk between 28 and 45 inches by holding and pinching the handle and then pushing the table up and down until you have the desired position for standing or sitting. The gas spring raises and lowers the tabletop silently and smoothly and helps you enjoy a healthy workday at home even if you are living in a small space. I love that it looks so minimal and sleek. The problem with most standing desks, in my opinion, is that most of them are very bulky and industrial looking, even the ones that cost twice as much as this one. If you're like me and always on the lookout to squeeze a bit more storage in your bathroom, you gotta check out IKEA's bathroom section. Seriously, they have an amazing lineup of bathroom storage like benches, shelves, and even carts. I'm totally obsessed with the variety that they offer. There's something for every nook and cranny you want to fill. A lot of their pieces are also crafted from natural bamboo, which means that it's very sturdy and long-lasting, and it also adds the stylish spa-like vibe to the space. It's an easy way to make your space feel more luxe and organized. Next, we have this super cool dining table I found for just $169.99. And guess what? If you grab it with 4 chairs, you're looking at a total of $389.99 for the entire set. I really want to show you guys this because it's such a bargain more than anything else. The table made from solid pine, it's super sturdy, and the design is totally simple and now here's where it also gets more interesting. I also found the red stain along with the white stain, and as we all know, both colors are making a huge splash this year. The red is right on trend, but it's not just any red, it's got this brownish undertone that keeps it looking very classic. And if you don't like the red, you can always go with the white that is so simple and minimal. IKEA just dropped a new twist to an old favorite. They brought back this iconic armchair and now it's popping in orange and priced at $99.99. So here's a cool bit of history on this chair. Back in the 80s, they asked the Danish industrial designer to create the world's most inexpensive armchair that can be manufactured industrially without any filling or any fabric. And voila, that's how this was born. I know it's hard to believe looking at it, but this chair is surprisingly very comfortable. It kind of cradles your body into a relaxing and slightly reclined position. If you want to add some green vibes to your space without the hassle of watering, these artificial plant panels are great. They work both indoors and outdoors, and you can hang them up on any wall. For just $5.99 each, you get a 10-inch by 10-inch panel. The plant wall panels are easy to connect with a simple click solution. You can create vertical gardens indoors and outdoors by connecting multiple plant panels together. Perfect for the living room, bathroom, or balcony. Up next, let's talk about this incredible find, a 6-drawer dresser priced at $259.99. It's a great deal, especially when you're in need of a storage solution that is affordable. The dresser is all about simplicity, giving you extra space to keep all your stuff organized. What I absolutely adore about this piece is its sleek all-white design. If you're feeling creative, you can always swap out those standard drawer handles for some chic brass hardware. The drawer comes with a locking system. This means you can secure the dresser to the wall, giving you the total freedom to open up all the drawers at once without worrying that it will tip over. Really perfect for your walk-in closet, guest bedrooms, or any space that you want to add some extra storage. Brand new this season, this light is $99.99. It's made of all natural bamboo and it's handmade. IKEA already has other similar bamboo lights that are super popular, so I'm glad to see this one being added to the collection. The organic material brings a subtle pop of color to any room, and it really reminds me of being on vacation in Tulum or Bali. Totally love the design and great for indoor or outdoor. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know your favorites in the comments below. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time and check out our other videos.